Meaning of ego surfing.
Ego surfing.
Ego surfing.
Ego surfing.
Ego surfing. Ego surfing refers to the act of searching one's own name or online presence on search engines, social media platforms, or other online sources. The term is a combination of ego, referring to self, and surfing, meaning exploring or browsing. When someone engages in ego surfing, they are looking for information about themselves online, including mentions in news articles, social media posts, blog entries, or any other digital content. The results of ego surfing can vary widely, from discovering positive feedback on one's work to encountering negative comments or criticism.